Hello and welcome to the 25th video in this series looking at the simple floppy robin for Android using Cocos2dx. So this video won't contain any code. I just want to have a quick explanation whilst the game's running in the background of where we are and what's coming up. I'm going to shortly release the app on Google Play in its current state because we've kind of had a bit of a middle ground. You'll see from the app that's running in the background I have, whilst I've not released any videos, done a lot of tweaking of the speeds. I made a bit of a mess of the speed. I've added a red seed in, as you can see in the top right hand corner, to gain extra points. I've done a lot of fiddling about with the tube spacing and making sure it's possible to get through all the kind of gaps and things like that. And as a consequence, like I said, that means I've changed some parts of the code. Inside constants.h there are a few different things that there were to the last time you saw the video, but I'll be coming to all of this in the next video. For example, I've changed the spawning times of the tubes. I've also set a maximum gap you can have that the robin has to rise to make sure it's possible when it's gone under a tube to get over the following tube. I've set some settings for spawning the seeds as well and what position. I've tweaked the gravity a little bit as well, so the gameplay in general is a little bit better and it is possible to get through, but also tough. The other thing I've done is the speeds of the clouds and the tubes and things were a complete mess because I'd scaled them for X and I should have scaled them for Y, and I've done quite a lot of testing to make sure all the timing and everything is correct. Going into the Java part then, you'll see that we've got an add create function now inside the Java, and this creates an advertisement banner which I'll just scroll up to here, the function for this. Which appears then on the screen. And like I said, all these things that have changed in this version that will be released today are going to be shown in the coming videos. Away with work, so there'll be a bit of a few days break, but I'll be showing how you do all of this in the future videos. Another thing also is I've already implemented, but it won't be in the release. You can see here the commented out functions for the leaderboards and displaying the achievements and things like that, because now game serves is also included. And I've had to block some IDs out here, but you can also see here that inside the JNI helper file I've now got all the settings and everything implemented to save scores and volumes and various things like that, with all of the getter and setter functions here in the code. So a lot's happened that you haven't seen since the last video, because I wanted to get it and come to some kind of state that you can go on the Play Store, download it and have a look at how it works, etc. And like I said, most of that's been involved in testing and making sure for any resolution the speeds and everything are all actually the same, because I made a mess of that. And then what you'll see then in the coming video then, or the coming videos then, is the implementation of all these features on the code. So for now, see you in the next one, and please download the game and give it a like or a nice review or something like that. Thanks very much for watching. Comments, questions, criticisms, welcome as always on YouTube.